Hello, thanks for joining me. I'm at the Scottish Motorcycle Show and I'm taking a look at the Indian motorcycle stand. This is from Saltire Motorcycles and they've actually got quite a nice range of Indians here. I have to say I am really taken with them, particularly this bike. Indian just never cease to amaze me with how bold they are with their styling compared to Harley Davidson. Unfortunately, you know, it's inevitable that there's that comparison with Harley Davidson there. But they just blow the socks off Harley Davidson in terms of styling. Just something simple like the colour scheme on this bike, that sandy coloured frame, absolutely awesome. There are 3 different versions of this FTR bike here on the stand, and I'll show you all 3 of them. Stylistically different, certainly different, but beautiful. This is more of a sort of classic Indian styling, is this one, and they've just got it. In terms of style design, they've just got it with all of their bikes. Now, admittedly, not to everyone's taste, but you know, and all the Indian bikes are certainly not to my taste, but I take my hats off to them in terms of styling. Really beautiful bikes, every one of them. I've got to say, Indian have a great stand here. You know, well done Saltire Motorcycles, fantastic display stand here, and actually, you know, it really does put Harley Davidson stand to shame, I think. Just here's another look at this one, this FTR with the sand-coloured frame. Such a simple touch, but beautiful as part of, you know, integrated into this whole styling package here. And if you want that sort of retro stylish look, this just knocked my socks off. And of course I'm familiar with this engine because I rode a whole of Route 66 on the Roadmaster. We'll have a look at the Roadmaster in a minute, well, it's difficult to fault this engine. It's absolutely incredible, but the styling, again, the styling on this bike is just gorgeous. Just all the little touches. The more I look at these bikes, the more little sort of styling touches that, you know, I see are just all so beautifully done. And this, you know, is such an awesome long distance mile muncher. I was really impressed. I've done a review of this bike. In fact, I've done a review comparison with Harley Davidson. If you see one of my earlier videos, one of my earliest videos actually. Now, Indian have quite radically changed the styling, particularly of those fairings on the bikes. This one, not really to my taste, I have to say. But, you know, every single bike doesn't have to be to your taste, does it? Certainly attracted a lot of interest. I'm struggling to get near the bikes. A lot of people are looking at these Indians. And, you know, I think Indian have really set a standard with this, particularly with this engine, because it's, you know, it's a stylish classic type bike, but with such an awesome engine on it, such an awesome performance. It's interesting to see how the new Harley Davidson engine, you know, will shape up with the bikes, because I think they're really playing catch up with Indian here. So all in all, well done Indian and well done Saltire Motorcycles. Excellent stand. Some fantastic bikes here for 2023. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this.